Cryptocurrency trading for beginners. Discover the most profitable Bitcoin and crypto trading strategies to turn the market into a money-making machine. Find 100x projects and build wealth. Written by Matthew Reed, narrated by Jim Rising. Chapter 1. The First Cryptocurrency Ever Invented. Of course, a book on cryptocurrencies must begin with the first digital currency ever invented, Bitcoin. Bitcoin is an excellent starting point, since it allows you to understand the narrative and philosophy behind the industry without needing overly sophisticated theoretical knowledge. The technical side of its function, which we'll see in a moment, can be complicated to understand if you do not follow a coherent and logical thread. Over the following few pages, we will explain it in depth to provide the tools to analyze and understand other significant cryptocurrencies. Let's start. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is digital money, but unlike the legal tender currencies we're used to, no central bank controls and regulates it. Instead, Bitcoin's financial system is managed by thousands of computers spread worldwide. Anyone who wishes to can participate in this ecosystem. Announced in 2008 and launched in 2009, Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency available and is still the most heavy capitalized to date. Bitcoin was created to provide the ability to send and receive digital money to and from anywhere in the world within minutes. Furthermore, since there's no central authority, it cannot be blocked, making it so attractive to its users. Use cases for Bitcoin. People use Bitcoin for many different reasons. Many like it for its free and uncontrolled nature. Anyone with an internet connection can send and receive Bitcoin. We can think of it as a digital version of cash, since no one can stop it from being used. Keeping in mind that it's a digital currency, we can see the added interest established by allowing easy international exchange. Some see Bitcoin as a form of investment as opposed to a simple way of exchanging money. They choose to hold on to their Bitcoins for a long time, hoping to one day sell them at a higher price than they spent on them. These people, known as holders, give Bitcoin the nickname digital gold, thanks to some properties that we'll see shortly. But for now, it's sufficient to understand that holders believe that these peculiarities make it an ideal means to store their wealth for long periods. Lastly, there is a third category of people fascinated by Bitcoin: traders. They see its significant volatility as a huge opportunity to make money through speculative buying and selling. For example, on 12 March 2020, Bitcoin lost 38% of its value in a single day. Such large price swings allow traders to make significant profits. One, therefore, can have a triple vision of Bitcoin: transactional, financial, speculative. Images, graphs, pictures, and other visual devices are available in the free PDF download that you got with this audiobook. The image below shows partial data on the average age of Bitcoin users. As you can see, summing the fractions does not add up to 100%. This is because Bitcoin offers the possibility to maintain a certain degree of anonymity. Therefore, as mentioned above, the available data is only partial. The spread of Bitcoin. Before we get into the technical side of things, there is one more thing to mention. Although Bitcoin is spreading worldwide faster than the Internet did in the early 2000s, there are still very few people who actually know about it, and even fewer who possess any. As is shown in the picture, only very few people in the world know about the existence of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in general. It's also impossible not to notice that in Europe, only 8% of the population knows what Bitcoin is. So if you're listening to this book, you are definitely among the first to delve into this field seriously. An interesting aspect to note is that as the number of users increases, the price of Bitcoin also tends to rise. Of course, this is not a direct correlation, but to date it is a reasonably accurate proportion. The image below shows the number in millions of participants in the
Sample complete. Ready to continue?